problems are getting a little bit longer here. We have 8x minus 2 plus 5x equals 5 minus 2x plus 3. What's our strategy here? Now we have an 8x and a 5x on the same side. We have x on the same side of the equation. So how do we handle this? I'm going to suggest that we combine like terms first on the same side. So only focus on this side of the equation right now. And only focus on this right here. Okay, so only look at this. Now we have 8x minus 2 plus 5x. Can I simplify anything on that side first? Sure. I can combine this 8x term and the 5x term. So 8x plus 5x is 13x, and then just bring down your minus 2. Okay? How about the right-hand side? Can I combine anything on that side? Let's see, I've got a 5 and a 3 I can combine. So I'm going to get equals, and then just put 8, and then bring down your minus 2x. Now it looks like a similar problem we did earlier, right? We have 13x minus 2 equals 8 minus 2x. I'm going to combine all my x terms, and then combine all my constants. And this time I'm going to show you how to do it in one step. Let's go ahead and move my x term. I'm going to add 2x to both sides, because that's a subtraction. To undo subtraction, I add. Now in the same step, let's go ahead and cancel that out. So we're not focusing on that term anymore, right? I need to move this 2 over, right? So I'm going to say plus 2, plus 2. That cancels that out. 13x plus 2x is 15x equals 8 plus 2, which is 10. Okay? So sometimes doing things, combining steps can be a problem, but this time I think, in a sense, it can actually make it easier. We're not having to recopy the problem over and over again. It's up to you, just your comfort level with this. We're one step away. I have 15, understood multiplication there. I'll put that little dot there just to emphasize we're multiplying 15 and x. I undo multiplication with division. So I can divide both sides by 15. So x equals 10/15, but what should I do with this? Right, I need to reduce it. So I've got a common factor of 5 in both of these, right? So this can be written as 5 times 2, this can be written as 5 times 3, and the 5's cancel. Or you can say 5 goes into 10 2 times, 5 goes into 15 3 times. That's basically what we're doing here. So I get x equals 2/3. Again, this one, if I did not have a calculator and I were just running through on a test, I probably wouldn't check this, to be honest with you. Until I get to the end of the test, then maybe if I had time, I'd go back and check these. Because the 2/3, I'm going to, more than likely, I make a mistake plugging the 2/3 into x and trying to get that to come out. I'm pretty confident that I did these steps right.